The Handicare 1100, the slimmest straight stair lift on the market. At Handicare, we know how important it is to make everyday life easier. That's why we make our stair lifts safe and easy to use with many features. If you're worried about a stair lift taking up too much space on your stairs, you'll love the stylish and compact Handicare 1100. Its slimline rail can be placed closer to the wall than any other straight stair lift. And the seat and armrest can be folded away easily to leave much more space for people walking up or down the stairs. Whether you are upstairs or downstairs, the 1100 stairlift can be called to transport you thanks to 2 remote controls. If there is more than one person using the stairlift, it can be moved to the top or bottom of the stairs at the push of a button. If it encounters an obstacle on the stairs, the automatic safety sensors will gently stop it. You'll find the 1100 exceptionally easy to use. To start the ride, simply fold the footrest to move it out of the way so you can safely sit down. Fasten the seatbelt and hold the easy-to-use toggle in the desired direction of travel. The stair lift will start gently. When you have completed your journey, the 1100 seat can be swiveled onto the top landing, making it very safe and easy for you to get off and on the seat. Whether you're staying upstairs for a while or heading straight back downstairs, it doesn't matter where the seat is parked on the rail, as the continuous charge strip means the batteries are fully charged and ready to go when you are. You don't need to worry about getting stuck if there's a power outage either. Your journey on the 1100 will be much smoother and more comfortable when compared to other stair lifts because of the patented friction drive technology used by Handicare's state-of-the-art system. It's also very quiet. When you arrive at the bottom of the stairs, the seat will come to a soft and controlled stop. Unfasten the seatbelt and use the optional automatic folding footrest to move it out of the way so you can safely stand up. We're sure that you, like many of our customers, will find the Handicare 1100 stairlift a valuable addition to your home. The Handicare 1100. Stylish, safe, compact, and reliable. Our best stairlift yet.